Kitchen lifestyle where you can relax. Innovation. IHeorCook. Frying that requires you to often flip. More convenient with automatic rotation. Frying that takes too long. Quicker with the IH method. Frying pan that fries here and there. Whole roasting makes it neater. Seasoned frying getting easily burned. Easier with a half-pressure non-stick rotation design. Struggle no more frying on a flame. Instead, cook with the Smart IH. The technical process of patented IH induction. Cook food faster and tastier. Adjust temperature and time as desired. Convenient and cleaner with the Interpot automatic rotation method. Kitchen lifestyle where you can relax. Innovation. IHeorCook.